Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Miss JD for a Sunday episode of our cryptocurrency review. Alright, so if this is the type of video you would like to watch as well, I do review cryptocurrencies alongside the stocks in the Philippine and US market. So feel free to hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so you're always updated whenever I have new videos. So in this video, I am going to cover just three cryptocurrencies for now. Bitcoin, Dogecoin, and XRP. Because nowadays, these three are creating that, that noise and popularity. So let's try to check out how they're panning out, and let's see if we now have a buy signal for them, right? So I already created a line for Bitcoin over here. As you can see, in the past how many days, actually weeks now, since last or third week of May, we've reached this area with slight overshoot down below the 34,000 level. So this is overall the support area I am looking at. And what's good about the situation is that while we were touching this level over here, your RSI is already gaining some momentum, right? As you can see right here, we're already very near the 34,600 level, and your RSI is already around the 40 area. So just looking at it at a glance, I can see a possible buy signal for this. So if you would like to do a test buy, or just try it out, the nearest, or if you can enter as near as you can to the 34,000 level, that's a much better position. Okay, so if you want, you can do like this one, do a range trading. So if you can enter right here, let's say you were able to enter right here and then exit right here, then that could give you a 12% gain. Unless you'd like to go for long term, overall, with regards to what we have in the bigger picture, this is already a good buy opportunity. Overall, if you're a long-term holder, this is a perfect spot where you can add more volume, okay? Because at the moment, we have established a support at the 34,600 level. So if you feel like adding, this is a perfect spot for all of us. All right, so that's for Bitcoin. Doge, on the other hand, let us see. Okay, so for Dogecoin, we have technically broken the here. The downtrend channel is right over here, right? So when the price hit this area, so as you can see, while we were moving down, this area over here was already our that was the area wherein sellers have already we've exhausted the selling opportunity during that period. Less sellers are now dominating. So after that, we started increasing the volume, and we were already moving higher. So that means the sentiment now has transferred to a buying sentiment. And what we are experiencing currently for Doge is a pullback. Okay, I consider this as a pullback because it's just normal. We cannot just have a straight line moving up. People, especially the traders, they're taking profit, and hence the decline. Now, how do we measure that? I'd like to use a Fibonacci retracement tool. This will allow me to measure the area of where it could potentially bounce and continue its uptrend. So I will just have to locate the point or the lowest area in the short term though. So I use the body, and then I just plotted here because that's where the lowest point is, and then second point would just be here. So notice that my point A is just where the body of the last candlestick is. I did not use the wick. that means above here I will not use the wick as well. So, alright, as you notice right here, our possible bounce area is at the 0.363 level. So for those people who are not very particular with slight difference, so technically this is already a possible bounce for Dogecoin. So if you want, you can put a buy order around 0.36 area, so just in case there will be fluctuations. And the world of cryptocurrency is really known for extremes, like extreme high, extreme low, and then it will just move up again on the same day. That's why you don't even have to be, sometimes you don't have to chase, because even if you're conservatively plotting it at a certain area, chances are it could still be hit within the day. So notice what happened right here. Extremely low at the 0.21 area, but it managed to move up. Okay, so for those people who were already plotting, let's say they saw this as a support and they were able to enter at that area, even if price at that time when they were looking at the chart was around here. Imagine that within the day on the 19th of May, they were able to place an order, or their order was hit, right? So if you want, you can do the same. We know that there is a possibility that the price could hit the 0.36 to 80 area, then go ahead and do it. At least if it touches that level, then good for you. You're able to haggle for a few cents, or a few cents. And but overall, this for me is an area where we will potentially see Dogecoin bouncing right at this area right here. Okay, so how did I do that? Using the Fibonacci retracement tool, plot 2 points here. The first is the lowest point where you have the body of the candlestick is situated, and then drag it all the way up here for the second point. And then these key areas are the possible areas where a stock or a coin could be bouncing. Same methodology that we use when analyzing our charts for stocks. Okay, so that's for Dogecoin. Another thing, if you also would like to really be accurate, once you see the overall picture on a longer time frame, let's say weekly or daily chart, you know that the overall sentiment is this could be a potential bounce at this level. Then the next step you can do is try to look at it on a faster time frame. Where does it fall on a 15-minute chart? So that's it. So this is how it looks like. See? So it gives you an overall view that on a faster time frame, this is now above the MA20 line and could still continue to move higher. Okay, sometimes it could also be like this, right? That okay, the 0.36 area could be hit anytime soon because the sentiment is going down. So those things from a longer time frame, it gives you the bigger picture, and then to haggle for a few cents and to enter at the most precise area, then you zoom into a much faster time frame. All right, so that is for Doge, and let me just refresh that one more time. Okay, so the support, nearest support is the 0.36, 300. So it's an area, guys, so could be slightly higher or lower. Let's try to check out XRP. XRP, I already plotted an ascending support right here. So one thing you need to consider, or 2 points you need to consider to determine if a stock is already, or a stock or a cryptocurrency is already in an uptrend. It has to first establish a higher low and higher high. So at this point over here, well, technically for its resistance, it's still just flat there, so we're just creating a triangle. But one thing to notice is that this over here is already establishing a higher low. So my take here on a daily chart, you already have an idea that we are potentially sitting at a possible support. See that? So if you'd like to do test buys, this could be an entry point, a good area to try out. Now, in the short term, just take note though that there's a resistance around the 1.04 level. So for those people who are just aiming for short-term gains, well, not bad. You can maybe reach this in 1 to 2 days or even 1 day. A good 11% gain. But overall, try to understand where are we at in the bigger picture. Okay, so we have already reached one time the 1.87 level. So chances are the moment we cross the MA20 line right here, that there's a big possibility that we could still continue moving higher. Yeah, there's a big chance that we could still be moving higher, and maybe you can haggle 1.5 as your profit taking level. It all depends. It depends on your profile and how long you'd like to hold this currency. Yeah, this coin. All right, so those are the three most trending um, coins or current cryptocurrency in the world of cryptocurrency in the past few days. So I hope you were able to get some insights in this video. Thank you for watching, and bye bye for now.